Hey guys, so today we're going at Target. Esme's gonna be getting a little surprise. You guys will be watching that later on today, hopefully. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, see you guys later. What are you looking at, baby? What are they? They're tiny. Ooh, let me see. Ooh, the RV, Forky, Jessie, and Woody. Can't really see Jessie's face, she's hiding.
This is some Poppy, this is Woody,
They're ultra Woody. It's okay. Can you see it close? Ooh, beautiful. You ready, Esme? Come here. Alright. Can you tell me who's on your shirt today? You like clothes?
Yes.
You're excited to go see Toy Story? Alright, then tell them see you later.
Hey guys, welcome back to Esme's Fun Time. And today's going to be opening this Toy Story 4 creativity set. What it includes is basically the stuff to make the forking. You can also make the bunny and the duck. You can do as a badge, so you can put your child's name. Let me show you guys the back. It includes, I guess, the stickers and stuff to make Buzz as well. So yeah, we're going to be opening. She's going to be doing it. And then I'll see you guys soon.